At least 2 of these are likely to be seen in any standard WASSCE examination. So the first topic is circle theorem, word problem, probability and statistics, construction, variation, mensuration, indices, logarithm, then vectors and bearing. Go through your textbook as well as your past question and make sure you are very comfortable with them. You can go online as well and then search for questions on these and then solve, because you are going for an A, not a B or anything. So you need to go to the basics. Now, every mathematics topic depends either on one or more of these topics. You need to get acquainted with these topics. I cannot overemphasize on this. Go to the basics, because one thing I've realized with students is mostly they don't understand a particular topic because they don't know the basics. Sometimes it could just be a little division or multiplication of variables, or even basic x plus x and then x times x. Some students do not know the difference, so they end up messing the whole thing up. And anything you learn is based on a previous knowledge you already had. You can't say you've not learned anything at all. So integers, fractions, algebraic expression, multiplication of binomials, factorization, linear equation, change of subject, HCM and then LCM, as well as ratio and proportion. And one more topic I would like to add is word problem. You should understand word problem so that you will be able to interpret them into numbers or equations. So the basics is very important. You need to first of all know your basics. And if you are not comfortable with any of these topics, I will urge you to ask a teacher, ask a friend, or make the conscious effort to get these before we move on. So first, solve lots of questions. When I say solve lots of questions, solve almost every question in your textbook. And my second point is that practice solving a full question under 15 minutes. Why are you doing this? You are training yourself to be time conscious. If you do this for a while and you get used to it, you will know that you are not supposed to spend so much time on one particular question, which would help you answer most of the questions you can. Now, the next point is you should be used to your calculator. I've encountered times when students never use their calculator. They were always borrowing. When they got to the time where they were writing the examination, they were still on the calculator. Why? Because they were not used to it. You know, our brains get used to what we always do. So I'll urge you, during your time of practice or during your time of preparation, get a personal calculator where you are using, so that during the examination you will be fast. Get rid of thoughts of weakness in a particular topic, otherwise seek help with the aim of making progress. Now have a good night's rest before taking the exam. This is one thing most students don't do. They study and cram till the morning of the paper before they have a short sleep or nap.